हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे प्रेगनेंसी और फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी। सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि प्रेगनेंसी क्या होता है। प्रेगनेंसी इज़ द कंडीशन ऑफ हैविंग अ डेवलपिंग एम्ब्रियो और fetus within the body. The state from conception to delivery of the fetus. The normal duration is 280 days, 40 weeks or 9 months and 7 days counted from the first day of the last normal menstrual period, the interval from conception to birth. देन अब हम देखेंगे फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी। ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस टू support the development of the fetus and prepare for childbirth. These changes occur in almost every system of the body. First changes, breast changes, darkening of areola and nipples, Montgomery tubercles, hypertrophied sebaceous gland, termed fullness, tingling, soreness. Secretions can be squeezed from breast at 12 weeks, which is sticky in nature. Thick yellow secretion can be squeezed from milk at 60 week. सेकेंड चेंजेस जो है वो आएगा चेंजेस इन यूटरस। इसमें हम देखेंगे गुडल साइन, सॉफ्टनिंग ऑफ द सर्विक्स एज अर्ली एज 6th week. दिस साइन में अकर लिटिल अर्लियर इन मल्टीपेरा। देन हम देखेंगे हेगर साइन, सॉफ्टनिंग ऑफ द लोअर यूटेराइन सेगमेंट, चेडविक साइन, purplish हुए to the cervix and vaginal mucosa due to increased vascularity by 8th week. Ossander sign, increased pulsation felt at lateral fornicus from 8th week onwards. Palmer sign, regular rhythmic uterine contraction detected at 4 to 8 weeks. Uterus enlarged from 70 gram to 1000 gram at term. Muscles in the uterus undergo hypertrophy, hyperplasia and stretching. Coordinated action of the outer longitudinal, inner circular and intermediate muscles of the uterus to prevent excessive bleeding during uterine contraction. Shape of uterus. टाइम शेप अर्ली वीक ऑफ जेस्टेशन में पायरीफॉर्म का होगा, 6th वीक पे हैंडशेक, 8th वीक क्रिकेट बॉल, 12 वीक ग्लोबुलर साइज ऑफ फीटल हेड, 28 वीक पायरीफॉर्म, 36 वीक एंड बियॉन्ड स्फेरिकल। देन आएगा एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम, FSH follicle stimulating hormone and LH luteinizing hormone inhibited during pregnancy. Thyroid gland enlarges and basal metabolic rate increase, so untreated maternal hypothyroidism can lead to mental retardation in fetus. Hyperinsulinism occur in mother is diabetes. Estrogen and progesterone level increase and continue to be secreted by placenta. During the last 6 months of pregnancy, thyroid and parathyroid activity is increased. Then circulatory system. Physiologic anemia occur due to hemodilution of blood in the second trimester of the pregnancy. Reduced hematocrit value. Cardiac output increased 30 to 50%, peaking at 28 to 32 weeks. Heart rate increased 10 to 15 beats per minute in second half of pregnancy. BP may be dropped in second trimester of pregnancy. WBC, fibrinogen and clotting factors increase. Edema of extremities in common in the last 6 weeks of pregnancy. Respiratory system. Oxygen circulation is increased by about 50% from 16th week of pregnancy. Dyspnea occur due to the presence of enlarged uterus on diaphragm during 3rd trimester. Dyspnea subside when lightning occur at 38 weeks. Then gastrointestinal system, nausea and vomiting, morning sickness. In the first trimester, constipation is caused by hyperstalsis, lack of fluid and low fiber intake. Excessive salivation may occur, food craving may occur, increased vitamin C and iron intake is indicated. Then skin changes system, dark patches on the face जैसे melasma, कोलास्मा, gravidarum, linea nigra, brownish black pigmentation area in the midline stretching from the sternum to the symphysis pubis. It is due to increased melanin. Striae gravidarum, striae on abdomen and thigh caused by skin stretching as pregnancy advances. Initially they are pinkish, but after delivery they become glistening white. Then excretory system, increased urinary frequency, bladder capacity increased to 500 ml, glycosuria and occasional proteinuria occurs. Then skeletal system, softening of ligaments and joint, symphysis pubis and sacroiliac joint due to hormonal activity. Thank you for watching video. Like and subscribe please.